back to my channel. So today I have a new thing that is out. It is the Nitraab subscription box. For those of you that don't know who Nitraab is one of my favorite YouTubers. I will put her channel down below in the description box. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love Nitraab. She is a mom, a beauty blogger. She now cooks, and she is doing videos on her redecorating her new home and everything. She is just an all-around YouTuber, and I absolutely love her. And she has the most precious son, Uriah, that just turned 1 on today, April 4th. Happy birthday, Uriah. And her husband Colton, he is so incredible with her, and I absolutely love their love story. It is amazing. But she, the entrepreneur in her, wanted to create her very own beauty box. So this is her beauty box. She has very nice packaging. As you guys know, beauty box subscriptions, you basically pay a certain amount every month, and you basically receive a box of goodies valued more than what you pay a month at a discounted price. They are all combined into the box. You can get the box of, most of them do 5. She has a lot of things in her boxes you guys are going to see, but you just sign up for it. The thing that I like about her is you're not committed to anything. She's releasing her boxes slowly, so you don't have to commit to paying $25 a month unless you really want to. But she hasn't released that option yet, so you just pay whenever her boxes release and she tells you. So that's a good thing about it. Now, her box is very cute. Just open the standard way that beauty boxes do. I got nails, so it's kind of hard for me to open. My address and information is on the bottom here, so that's just how it gets shipped out. It gets shipped out in this box, no extra packaging. So I love that because it's not bulky. It's not a lot of boxes that you have to get through. You just get straight to the point. And this is the inside of her box. So very nice. She has this very pretty tissue paper in there. Very nice, very different than the regular full paper. Tissue paper is just these little designs, which is really cute. So I'm just going to go through each thing that came in the box with you guys. The first thing that she has is the BECCA Cosmetics First Light Priming Filter, which is this. And this is 15 milliliters, and it's basically a primer. It says that it's good for fatigue, dullness, dehydration, puffiness, and fine lines. You can use it alone or you can use it alone or under your makeup. So I really like that. I want to try that because I'm all for a good primer. Next is the NYX Cosmetics, which is another favorite brand of mine for cosmetics. Very affordable. This is the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhagen. So it looks like this. I'm actually going to go ahead and review this for you guys on here so you can see what the color looks like. I always love NYX, and I love their matte lips. I have not tried this color, but I started using NYX from another set of YouTubers, the Glam Twins. If you guys know Kelsey and Kendra, they got me hooked to another color. I can't think of the color right now, but it looks so freaking natural on you. And every time I can, because it gets sold out so quick at Target, I go and buy like 4 and 5 at a time. So again, this is the color Copenhagen. Let's see what it looks like. It's so soft and it goes on smooth. It's a very pretty color. I like it. It's a good fall color because of it being a dark tone. It is a good fall color, you guys. So I absolutely like it. Next in the box, we have the Kopari Coconut Mini Melt or the Kopari Lip Love. You got either one, so let's see which one I got. I got the Coconut Oil Lip Love. So this says to kiss hydration goodbye, made to last. It will lock in moisture and love on the lips for a long time. Glide it on. The more you apply, the glossier it gets. So I want to try this one too, you guys. So I'm just going to wipe this off. It stained a little bit, but that's okay. You guys know a good lip stain will stay on your lips throughout the day. So this just looks like the regular Carmex container. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. This was amazing. This was amazing. I thought it was going to be, when I saw the packaging, I thought it was going to be thick, like Carmex and Vaseline. It went on so smooth, you guys. And my lips instantly feel soft. Like, they instantly feel moisturized. Look. Oh, and they have that shine to it. I love that. Next, we have the Aleva Naturals Daily Soothing Moisturizer. It's for face and body. It's good for dry and eczema, and it's ideal for newborn and toddlers. So this is good because I'll use this on Carter. I'm not going to try this one, but this is what it looks like. So basically it's like lotion. Basically they want you to use it for babies and toddlers. So that's really good. I'll definitely use this on Carter. And next is the Boudreaux butt paste. We all know what this is for. Diaper rash. So I'm definitely going to use this for Carter, of course, not me. And next is the Powder Cloud. It has a name, but I'm not going to pronounce it. I'm going to hold it up so y'all can see it. And it is a powder spray for root lift, volume, and matte texture. You can put it on individual strands, and you pump the nozzle to target the area that you want. So this is it. Y'all see that name? When I like the nozzle on it, because it does get straight to the root to get to the area that you need. So I'll come back and do a video if I want to lift my hair up and review that for you guys. And then next we have the Nitraab African Marula Tree Oil Smoothing Cream. It's for intense hydration, provides long-lasting frizz control, humidity resistance, locks in style, flexible hold, and gives you a smooth, healthy hairstyle. I am all for natural hair products, and especially the Nitraab Mothers brand, because I've been wanting to try it, but I keep avoiding it in the store. This is coconut milk and African Marula tree oil for dry hair. Definitely needed this. It has coconut milk and marula oil, 100% free of sulfate, silicones, parabens, gluten, and synthetic dyes, honey. Let's see what this smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. I'm definitely going to do a review on this because, of course, you know, I went natural and I have 2 kiddos and I'm working on growing their hair out. So I am definitely going to review this, guys. And next I have the... I'm supposed to have an eye serum, you guys, but it is not in the box. Oh, it is. Sorry, Nitra. It's in there, girl. It's in there. I missed it under all the tissue paper. But this is called Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Serum. It works against wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness while hydrating and lifting the delicate eye area. And this is that. You guys know I'm all about a good spa day, so I'll definitely incorporate this into my face wash routine, and especially on Saturdays when I do that extra face mask routine. I'm definitely gonna start using this because I started using the eye mask underneath and I love them to take out puffiness. So I'm definitely gonna put this on before I do my eye mask and see what happens, girl. Come back and let y'all know. All right, last but not least, y'all, she put my favorite Target, well, it's everywhere, but I go to Target a lot. Y'all know this skincare brand, Soap and Glory. I love me some Soap and Glory, y'all. I promise y'all I love me some Soap and Glory. Their face wash, y'all, I'm telling y'all, when y'all try it, y'all gonna be like, girl, what was I missing? It has everything all in one. Like, it be tingly and everything, but I ain't reviewing that today. We're reviewing this right here today. So this is the Soap and Glory Smoothie Star Breakfast Club Scrub. It's an exfoliator. Ooh, with bananas, almond, and honey extracts, and it features a new maple fragrance. Y'all, I love me a good exfoliator, a good body scrub, because I'm trying to bring sexy back for the summer, y'all. And this is gonna help me, because I'm about to be scrubbing up my legs and my elbows, because I'm trying to be out there looking cute. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's something I'm saying. But this it, y'all. Oh my gosh. And it's a big one too. I think this was the biggest product other than the Not Your Mother's. This is the actual Soap and Glory sizes, y'all. So y'all know this is good, because Soap and Glory products be like $14.99 and up. So if I paid $25 for the box, this already has my money back. Then plus these two right here, I already got my money back. So everything else was just free, basically. Get y'all this box. I'm telling y'all, get y'all a subscription box. With this, it says scoop out a handful, rub it into your palms, and scrub it onto your damp skin so you can feel smoother. Rinse well and follow it with a butter or lotion. You guys, I'm telling you, if you guys do not have an exfoliant in your skincare routine, y'all missing out. Oh my god. Y'all, let me tell you what this smell like. This smell like a good bed and breakfast. Let me tell y'all, this smell like that morning that you sleep and he in that kitchen cooking, and he bring that tray in there, y'all. Close your eyes, imagine with me. He bring that tray in there, y'all, and that scent just hit your nose of them bacon and grits, but then you smell them pancakes or waffles with that syrup on it. This what that smell like, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this stuff right here, oh my god, this scent is amazing. You can really smell the maple in this, really. And it's got the bananas, the honey, and don't that sound like a good break? Look, you just made a full meal in the morning. Look, bananas on the side of your waffles, almond butter, honey, and maple syrup. Get y'all some of this. Your skin will be eating a full course meal. Y'all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So give your skin this good old breakfast in bed right here. Ooh, y'all, I can't stop smelling this. It smells good. I'm definitely gonna come back and give y'all a review on this, because I cannot wait to use this. And Soap and Glory has nice scents on their products that linger. I know this is gonna be lingering on your skin. This right here is gonna be amazing. Alright, y'all, but that's everything that was in my box. Follow Nitraab on social media. She will let y'all guys know when she is going to release her next box. This is her second box. I missed the first box, which I'm so mad about, because it got sold out so quickly. Literally, as soon as she posted it, before I could even get to the website later that day when I saw it, it was gone. So I turned on my notifications on Instagram so I didn't miss the next one. And let me tell you, as soon as she posted it, I ordered mine within 30 minutes. I was so happy. But yeah, this is the review of this box. I can't wait for her to release more boxes and see what else she's going to come up with. Like I said, if you guys don't follow her, I'll leave her channel down in the box below. And thank you guys for watching again. Bye.